Hello everyone, I'm Siabonga M. Nissi, and I am proud to present my capstone project, the CAPACITI Intelligent Talent Hub. To understand why I built this, we first need to look at the current landscape. In the fast-paced world of tech accelerators and graduate programs, there is currently a massive disconnect between operations and experience. Administrators are overwhelmed by manual paperwork, and candidates feel unsupported, a friction that ultimately leads to high dropout rates. My solution is a unified AI-powered employee self-service platform. This isn't just a portal, it integrates generative AI directly into the daily workflow. It is purpose-built to automate compliance, predict candidate risk before it becomes a problem, and streamline communication. Ultimately, it is designed not just to manage talent, but to actively nurture it. Hammer Technical Foundation. Let's take a moment to examine the robust technical foundation that powers this hub. Front-end, built with React and TypeScript for a highly responsive, type-safe experience, styled with Tailwind CSS for a modern aesthetic. Backend and persistence. I utilized Google Firebase for its scalability, specifically using Firebase Auth for secure authentication and Firestore for a flexible NoSQL database. Security, crucially, I implemented strict role-based access control, RBAC, distinguishing between 4 roles: candidates, tech champions, managers, and admins. Brain the core intelligence, Google Gemini API. The core intelligence of the platform is driven by the Google Gemini API, which I integrated in 3 specific high-impact ways. Text generation, to power the RAG-based policy chatbot. Computer vision, for analyzing and verifying certificate images. Data analysis, for predictive risk modeling on raw JSON data. Glowing Star Live Demonstration, Candidate Portal. Let's transition now to the live demonstration. First, I am logging into the system as a candidate. One AI Policy Navigator. New employees often struggle to find basic information. Instead of making them search through dense PDF handbooks, I built the AI Policy Navigator. Watch as I type a natural question. What is the rule about sick leave? Gemini retrieves the specific context from my system instruction, acting as a basic RAG system, and gives me an immediate, accurate answer regarding the 2-day rule. 2. Automated certificate verification. Next, let's look at tracking learning progress. Usually, a manager has to manually review and verify every certificate. Here, I simply upload an image of a certificate. Under the hood, this process is quite sophisticated. It sends the image in base64 format directly to the Gemini 2.5 Flash model. The AI performs OCR, extracts the student name and issuer, and determines a verification status. As you can see, it verifies the cert, extracts the data, and automatically saves it to Firebase, updating my learning progress bar in real time. Chart increasing live demonstration, staff portal. Now I will switch perspectives to the staff portal. I'll log out and log back in as a manager. Notice the role-based routing kicking in, the layout changes completely, and I now have access to high-level management tools. 3. Predictive talent risk analysis. This leads us to perhaps the most powerful feature. When I click Run AI Analysis, the system sends raw JSON data on attendance and scores to Gemini. The AI analyzes complex correlations to calculate a risk score, rated as high, medium, or low for every single student. If I hover over these charts, you can see the detailed breakdown. As a manager, I instantly see who is at risk of dropping out, allowing for proactive intervention rather than reactive punishment. Finally, I have full operational control. I can approve profile changes and create engaging announcements targeted to specific cohorts. The 12-month roadmap. To ensure this solution is not just a prototype but a scalable product, I have designed a comprehensive roadmap. Immediate future, Phase 1. I will upgrade the Policy Navigator to a true RAG system using a dedicated vector database, like Pinecone, to handle thousands of PDF documents dynamically. Phase 2, multimodal. I will integrate the Gemini Live API to create an AI mock interviewer that can converse with students via real-time audio to practice their soft skills. Phase 3, automation. I will implement autonomous agents using function calling. For example, if the AI detects a high-risk student, It could automatically schedule a meeting on the manager's calendar without any human input. White heavy checkmark conclusion. To wrap up, the capaciti Intelligent Talent Hub meets and exceeds all the enhanced requirements of this assignment. It features deep integration, ensures persistence, and delivers an excellent user experience. By automating administrative burdens and using AI to identify at-risk youth early, this tool doesn't just manage data. It helps ensure that every candidate who enters our program has the best possible chance of graduating and finding meaningful employment. Thank you very much for your time.